Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Harmonium online. To begin your journey, first identify a qualified online teacher or a structured learning platform that aligns with your goals. Next, confirm your Harmonium is in perfect playing order, perhaps having it serviced if needed. Finally, establish a dedicated practice area at home, free from distractions, to maximize your learning experience. This foundational setup is crucial for effective progress. For successful online Harmonium learning, several tools are essential. High-quality video conferencing ensures you can clearly see and hear your instructor, and they can observe your playing. Digital resources, including sheet music and practice tracks, provide valuable material for your studies. Additionally, recording your practice allows for critical self-assessment, helping you refine your technique and track your development over time. These resources are key to a productive online experience. Effective practice is the cornerstone of learning Harmonium online. Aim for consistent daily sessions, dedicating at least 30 to 45 minutes to your instrument. When tackling new pieces, divide them into smaller, more manageable segments, mastering each part before combining them. Pay close attention to your fingering, ensuring smooth transitions, and develop precise control over the bellows for consistent sound. Rhythmic accuracy is also paramount for musical expression. To sustain your learning and celebrate achievements, tracking progress and engaging with others is vital. Maintain open communication with your instructor, sharing your successes and any difficulties you encounter. Joining online Harmonium communities offers a supportive environment for exchanging tips and encouragement. Finally, consider performing for a small, trusted audience, like friends or family, to build confidence and refine your performance skills. This holistic approach enhances your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.